All that you are or have to offer is energy that breaks down to a loss of life force and time. Think of the exchange being made. You only have so much time. But what are you offering? Is the result worth the sacrifice? An offering, when ignited with a purpose, becomes a sacrifice. Here are the 3 steps to clearing your path for highest manifestation of purpose. Prayer, approached in pure intention with highest possibilities of heart to manifest. Gratitude affirmations, channeling with ultimate forgiveness and appreciation for all that's flowing for us and all that is not. Showing gratitude for the balance of things in highest respect to all and their process. Meditation, clearing to a state of infinity and asking for highest potentials to be understood.